Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, today we are just going to do the episode 5 of Injustice 3 updates. Today we have got so many updates. So guys, this video is just going to be awesome. Please stay till the end of the video. And in this video we have some some really good reports and a leaked APK of Injustice 3. So wait till the end of the video. So let's get started. So yeah guys, the first update we have got is from Injustice 3. So basically that update is that some people are saying that the leaked beta version of leaked beta version of Injustice 3 was released, or some people got their hands on it through some APKs or stuff. And but the Injustice 3 team that are working on it, when they came to know about it, they fixed that issue. And so yeah, so the thing that is many people are saying to me, I also researched about this thing, and yeah, it's true actually. I was not expecting that. And they are saying that it was leaked for like about a 30 minutes or so in the day. We have not got the time of it, and saying but like many less people were able to get their hands on it, and almost the number is even less than 100, and that's pretty rare, I guess. So yeah, it was kind of just. And but the other thing that is that people that were able to get the hands on Injustice, they are no longer able to play, because they have shut down the APK work. What do you say? So now if anyone has Injustice 3 APK still there, they will still not be able to play it. And I think that was a mistake, and I'm really scared that the people they got their hands on it can like just tell us everything about it, and I want it to be suspense and not like leaked. So yeah guys, that is the first what do you say first update. And the second update is from Injustice 1. So as you know, in my last video, as I said that there is a chance you can get Injustice. We can get Suicide Squad new characters in Injustice 1. So basically, according to the creators of Injustice, the new Suicide Squad characters could be released in the next update 3.5, and they are expecting 3.5 to be get launched till, what do you say, ending of this year or starting of the 2022. And so yeah, that's going to be crazy, but we have still a long time to go, and I'm still excited about that new characters going to be added. And the next update is from Injustice 2, and basically Injustice 2, and basically also from Injustice 1. You can see some people are saying that if you don't know, most of the games like Shadow Fight, just like Injustice games, are releasing their, what do you say, their better version, and that is paid. Like if you know that almost right now Shadow Fight 2 released their, what do you say, paid version, which has many more things. And so some people are expecting that Injustice could also get Injustice 1 or Injustice 2 can also get their, what do you say, could get their better version that will be paid. And I think that could be good, but if that happens, I will also be disappointed, because then they will just stop working of that game. If Injustice 1 gets a, what do you say, a better version that is paid, then the creators will almost stop working for normal Injustice 1, and that's going to be pretty sad, and that will not be good for the free to play players. And I think that could happen potentially, but I think they should still, if the team is planning something like that, I think they should work on both the free and the paid version of it. But still, it has not been confirmed yet, and if there are any reports of that, I will definitely tell you. And the next thing is that, what do you say, according, if you watch my Where is Mr. Miza's video, you know I explained everything about Mr. Miza's. And some people are still there is no the Mr. Miza channel has seen no upload again, and still people are very confused, and we have seen no reaction from real Mr. Miza. So as I said, I'm still waiting for their responses, but no, we have got nothing. And according to also some reports, that that video was posted by the hacker, and some people are saying that they have been unblocked by the video reduced the YouTube. So now the hacker could upload, but the hacker will get no money through Mr. Miza's video. So that's okay, I guess. So guys, I hope you like this video. I know this video is shorter than normal, but today, as you know, these updates we have got are so good, and I think that for 3 or 4 days we will be getting some good news just like this. So, guys, I think that is going to wait for the video, and I want to also thank you for your what do you say that for your response in my last video, and it received just a great response. And so, yeah, guys, I'm thinking to continue this series. This is episode 5 of it, and I am also having a lot of fun. But first of all, I want to also say that these videos, you might think that this video only takes me like 30 minutes to hardly record it, but no, guys, I have to research a little bit. I don't do the news, what do you say, I don't like say fake newses. You can find this news in like Google and different things, and I have researched for them a long time. I always like, yes, these news that I have gotten, I have taken me like 3 hours, and after I get the news I have to also confirm that it's real or not. And so, yeah, guys, it takes my 3 hours of a day, and that's pretty bad, guys. So, but still, I will continue this series as I said, but I will I will not upload like regularly, because regularly it's pretty difficult for me. I could upload in like a 2 day. I could upload what do you say one video related to Injustice 3 updates. When on 2 days it would be okay, or I would at least upload one video related to Injustice 3 in 3 days, that's guaranteed. And as I said, I'm waiting for some spicy news as well, and there's so many rumors going on, but I'm still waiting. There's so many things that are going to be confirmed yet. And as in my video, as I said, that some people got their hands on their what do you say leaked version of Injustice 3. We have not got any videos proof, or videos proof, or any, no one has uploaded a video related to it on YouTube or as well as any other platforms. So, yeah, but still, yeah, some there in the, if you go to the what do you say if you research deep, it's saying that it was leaked for half an hour, but that's still not been confirmed yet. But I think it was, and then they will not be able to play it right now, and that's a pretty good news, because I want Injustice 3 to develop as much as they can, and I want the creators of Injustice 3 um, Injustice 3 to keep the what do you say Injustice 3 a secret until the announcement, because like when before the announcement, if anyone gets like again their hands on Injustice 3, this game will be like so spoiled. We will get every single thing about that, and I am happy that no one uploaded a YouTube video on any other platforms, and but still, yeah, this could have been dangerous. And if only the good thing is about that only how 100 players were able to do it. And so, yeah, guys, I think that's going to be it for the video. I hope you liked it. So, guys, I would just say goodbye and have a good day.